Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, has experienced ongoing hostilities since the 1990s. The conflict has been particularly severe in eastern DRC, where it has led to approximately 6 million deaths since the First Congo War broke out in 1996. This makes it one of the deadliest conflicts in history. Eastern DRC is currently simmering with ethnic conflict, fueled by competition for the region's rich resources, including diamonds, cobalt, gold, and oil. Competing actors include rebel groups, Congolese security forces, and neighboring states such as Rwanda and Uganda. In more recent developments, the March 23 movement M23 rebel group launched an offensive on 20th of October 2022 and seized a large part of the Rutshuru territory, displacing many people who had already fled the renewed fighting between the M23 and Congolese armed forces in recent months. Many of these people have been forced to flee again. The Mary Help of Christians province of the Philippines South, FIS, is simultaneously hosting two major events held in Don Bosco Retreat House, Lawan, the East Asia Oceania Youth Ministry Delegates Meeting and the East Asia Oceania Salesian Family Meeting. It is a four-day occasion that brought 65 delegates from not less than 15 countries from EAO and Rome. As of this writing, the two meetings are on the second day of simultaneous yet distinct gathering, which started on the 9th of November and will conclude on the 12th. The two meetings are graced by the presence of Father Miguel Angel Garcia Murquende, SDB, General Counselor for Youth Ministry, Father Jobeth Vivo, SDB, Youth Ministry, Sector Collaborator, Father Juan Luis Playa, SDB, Central Delegate of the Rector Major for the Secretariat for the Salesian Family, Father Alejandro Guevara, SDB, ADMA World Delegate, Brother Domenico Duke Ngam Nguyen, SDB World Delegate for the Salesian Past Pupils and Cooperators, Sister Leslie Sandigo, FMA, General Counselor for the Salesian Family of the FMA, and Sister Lucrecia Yurube, FMA World Delegate for the Cooperators of the FMA. These meetings aim to strengthen the cooperation and coordination of the Salesian family groups in the Salesian Youth Ministry by strengthening the charismatic spirit in our work with and for the youth. The Salesian Agricultural School at Katemu launched a terracing project in October led by the Keres Center. These terracing projects represent an innovation in agriculture and an important step towards the sustainability of agriculture and rural areas. The day was led in the field by Roxana Libai, Director of the Landscape, Territory and Rural Development Program at the Keres Center, who shared her experience and knowledge with the students. She explained that terracing is based on the transfer of a water harvesting technique inspired by nature, respecting contour lines to reduce erosion and increase water efficiency. This technique allows water to accumulate in the soil for longer, penetrating the deeper layers. It also increases the biological activity of the soil, which is essential for organic cultivation. The project will be developed in 7 provinces of the region, and the Katemu Agricultural School will have the privilege of being the center of action in its province. The Keres Center will supervise the project and train the students in all stages of the process. The National Meeting of Delegates for Missionary Animation and Volunteering was held in the Provincial Center of Manwas from 7 to 9th November. During these days, the document in preparation for the 150th anniversary of the first missionary expedition was shared. A message of encouragement also came from Father Reginaldo Cordeiro of the Salesian Congregation's Mission Sector. The meeting precedes the 5th National Missionary Congress, also to be held in Manwas, which will contribute to enrich the reflection on an even more missionary spirituality. The Salesian University of Argentina, UNISAL, specifically its Faculty of Social Sciences, hosted the 20th National Meeting of Faculties of Communication, INACOM 23 in Spanish, from 1st to 3rd of November. The theme of this meeting was Rethinking Communication to the Public, Roles, Messages, Formats and Technologies. It was 3 days in which the headquarters of the Salesian House of Higher Education, John the 23rd Higher Institute and UNISAL received hundreds of guests, students and communication teachers from different parts of the country. It was an opportunity to reflect, debate and explore the different dimensions of communication, today strongly influenced by technology, artificial intelligence and a constantly changing society. The meeting, convened annually by the Argentine Federation of Faculties of Social Communication, was of a great high academic level and allowed us to continue reflecting on the interrelation of communication with culture and society, where the user experience is today a perspective that takes hold in all disciplines, and the world of communication is no exception. An inter-house salad making competition was held at St. Saviour's Higher Secondary School, Pathyalagyat on 8th November 2023. The competition was for both boys and girls of all the 4 houses, namely Bosco, Teresa, Nehru and Gandhi. The objective behind the competition was to inculcate healthy food habits and awareness regarding the choice of food among school children. The students' creativity and innovative ideas were brought to light through fantastic designs and patterns formed with different mouth-watering vegetable and fruit salad. The highlight of the competition was not only the preparation of salads, but also to bring the best artistic designs which carried an aesthetic aspect. The entire competition was judged on the following criteria: presentation, creativity, freshness, originality and taste. Sister Monica Sangma, Brother Cleophas Lingdo, Miss Cynthia de Barma, Miss Aparma Bhumik and Mr. Shanti de Barma were the judges of this competition. At the end of the competition, both boys and girls of Gandhi House won the coveted first prize, whereas in the girls category, both Teresa and Bosco bagged the second prize respectively, and the third prize is taken by the Nehru House. In the boys category, Nehru got second prize, whereas third prize is taken by Teresa and Bosco House respectively. Father Babu Stephen, principal, thanked all the 4 houses for their active participation in the competition and for their creativity. He also thanked the teachers who judged the competition and congratulated the winners. It was a tight competition among all the 4 houses. The school saw the competitive spirit of the students and their determination to win the prize. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.